Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonja and today we are moving forward with my Easter decorating series, and I will be decorating my front entryway, adding some of those Easter touches like bunnies, some flowers, carrots and things like that, just making it all nice, bright and cheerful. I typically do start my series with my entryway. However, last video before this one, I did post my kitchen decorate with me. So if you missed that video, make sure you check it out. I would have it linked up in the sky as well as at the end of the video. So you can just go ahead and watch that after you are done watching this one. So I'm going to start off just by wiping my mirror down as well as this little entryway table. If you had not seen how I made over this table, I do have a video over on my DIY channel. I will leave a link in my description box for you to check out. It totally did not look nothing like this. I saw these type of tables online and they were quite expensive and hard to get in where I am. I'm located in Ontario, Canada, and I really wanted one. And then one day I did see the similar style on Facebook Marketplace, and I knew I had to pick it up and knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. I love it. I think it looks so good in this area. So once I dusted it, I will start with decorating. If you are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Sonja and I am a full-time home daycare provider. And I also have several YouTube channels. This is my home channel and I have a DIY cooking. And now what seems to be I wanted it to be a life-size channel, but it turns out it's more of a daycare content channel. So if you want to check those out, they will all be linked in the description box. So I'm going to start off by adding this lantern. This lantern came from HomeSense, as most of my decor does. And then this vase, I did thrift it and made it over to fit my style a little bit better. And to it, I'm going to be adding these, I think, beautiful Dollarama flower stems. I absolutely love the way these looks. They are very realistic looking. Even the stem on them looks like real wood, kind of like a wooden stem does. And I just love having them and using them during springtime and Easter. I just think they are the right color of pink, not too bright, but very soft and inviting, I guess, would be the way I feel when I see these flowers. If you are in Canada, I just want to ask you something. Do you feel that sometimes Dollarama's florals are so good and that at times they have absolutely nothing? Our Dollar Tree usually doesn't have very good florals, nothing like the florals in US Dollar Tree, but Dollarama tends to be a lot better when it comes to florals. But sometimes, like I said, they are so good, and sometimes there'll be patches of time when they have absolutely nothing good. Let me know if you guys find, if you frequent Dollarama, do you find that that's how it is? Michael's here is super expensive for florals, and we do not have Hobby Lobby, so I tend to frequent a Dollarama and check their floral section all the time, just for those hidden gems that they sometimes have. Now I'm going to be adding this wooden bunny that came from HomeSense. The kids are loving this bunny. And seeing all the Easter decorations that I have in my house. I think it's so nice to see how happy and excited they get for all these little decorations. On the opposite side, I'm going to add this little watering can that came from Dollarama, and I'm just adding some boxwood stem that came from Dollarama as well in there. And now we're going to move on to the bottom, and I'm adding this basket from HomeSense. I've been using this basket here for several seasons now. And then I'm going to add one of my favorite blankets. And I think I carry this color palette throughout the house, so I like using it here. And I'm going to add this daisy pillow. I did DIY this as well. And I think that just looks so cute here. I did have some sticks in there for winter and Christmas, and I had removed those. I'm going to be adding my wax warmer here, tucking it just by the basket. I just want to have a nice smelling house right when you enter. And the kids don't go here, and I have a timer on it, so I usually set it on first thing in the morning, and I do get up quite early, 3:50, and the kids don't come till 8, so I'll have it running for a couple hours before they come, just to infuse the house with nice smelling scents. I have switched now all of my wax warmers, wax melts to soya wax. I've been talking about this for a while now, that I've been slowly switching all my candles to soya wax. It's just a little bit better for the environment in the home. So I have been switching these, and I currently have a scent in there. It's one of my favorite scents. It's Beach Club. It is a Disney resort scent that's in there. I just love that smell so much, and I love having it in my house. I'm going to be adding this Easter market sign. This was a Dollarama find as well. I think it was Dollarama, or maybe it was Dollar Tree. I've had it for several years now, so I'm thinking it might be actually Dollar Tree. Let me know if you know where it came from. And then my truck, this was from Dublin Mercantile, which is just a small little decor shop a couple towns over. And then I typically change out what's in the trunk of this truck, and I'm going to be adding these carrots now for the Easter season. Sometimes I do add speckled eggs in there, but this time I thought it would be nice to add some carrots. And then one more thing I'm going to add is this pot from Dollarama, as well as these little florals from Dollarama as well in there. And I love how these florals look. I think they just, I don't know, for me they just scream spring, so I like using them during springtime. And then I'm going to be decorating just one other area in this front entryway. I have been loving the little potted plant that I have on the opposite side, so I'm going to keep that here, but I'm going to swap out my home sign, and I'm going to be adding this bunny wreath, just something simple for the month, and I'm going to swap it out for something else once I'm going to be decorating just for spring. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love with the way this turned out. I'm super happy. I think my entryway is very inviting and bright and springy looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching.